guys, welcome to my channel, Chitu. Today, we will be building our little mini greenhouse. We're doing this because we ran out of room for our indoor plants that we planted, and I thought if we could go to ALDI and get our Gardenline walk-in greenhouse, and we could put this somewhere in our house, and we could put flowers or maybe some veggies in it that are small, and also it also includes 6 spacious shelves. And also I'm very excited for this, and let's get started building. Oh, I forgot I was recording. So our greenhouse, we're done with our big border. We did not expect it to be this big. Look at the box compared to this. So I wanted to tell you and give you guys a quick tour of our little greenhouse that's not green yet. Over here we have a shelf. We're gonna repeat that same process up to here, maybe down here. I haven't looked at it yet, and yeah. And also, after we're done with the shelves, I think the next step is to go ahead and put our green sheet on top. Oh, sorry, wrong way. It doesn't go like a plate. I don't know what to call the other side.
Invert plate.
An upside down plate.
Okay.
Can you get me 2 clips, please? 4 clips, please. And you could pull. Daddy, can you pull it up from? Can you help me pull it up? I can't reach it. You could roll it up like a blanket. I like to fold it like that. Then take this side. Can I take?
Wait. I'll let you.
I'm very short. I can't reach.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. There you go.
Finally.
Then you could do this, or if you want to leave it alone. Do you see these zippers? Hi-zoom! Wow, I want to look at it from outside. Oh, I see it. Wow. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.